Well, my name is Laura Corso, and I'm going to develop the activity of Intercultural Project of Lifestyles. So first, I'm going to show my ID of the university. Um, I'm going to start to the presentation. So the country that I chose was Jamaica, and I want to do a comparison in different topics about the both countries. So first, Colombia is located in South America. It's a Brazilian republic and its capital is Bogota. In contrast with Jamaica, is located in the Caribbean with a parliamentary democracy and its capital is Keystone. So both of the countries have sea around there, like an island. Well, continue with the food, and Jamaica dishes are curry goat. You can find fried dumplings, ackee, and codfish. Jamaican patties, cakes, and breads are popular, and the drink are Jamaican rum. And Jamaican people are relaxed and carefree people. All the people is everything is no problem, be happy, everything like that. Their main interests are music and religion, a wide variety of musical styles like ska, reggae, dancehall, raga jungle, and others. If we have to find a similarity with Colombia, we can compare Jamaica with San Andres Island because the culture and the people are very similar in a lot of ways. Well, in culture about Colombia, the experience with the music, gastronomy, and local charm, it's very important. And it's important to result that Colombia have some region and space, and each region have a typical dish, or typical music, or typical dress. So we have a country with a lot of variety. So, in various regions and space, our music and traditions evoke genres. Colombia is known as the country of 1,000 rhythms. So, Colombia offers a variety of food. The representative dishes are ajiaco santafereño, bandeja paisa, moteos chief, la lechona, and the mamona. That I've commented before, that depends of the region that you visit. Continue with the customs of Jamaica consists on a little skirt with cotton, usually with florins or live street on them, or the tops wore full cleared dress made from bandana material of cotton fabric with red, white, and green tartan is printed in the pattern. In Colombia, the typical costume depends on the region. In the picture, we can observe the typical dress of the Andean region and the Caribbean region. Well, in terms of the education, in Jamaica, the 6 years of primary school education is compulsory and free. Tertiary education is provided to the 5 universities and of the community teacher college and some private college. In Colombia, the education system is made up for each early education, preschool education, basic education that is composed by 5 grades of primary and 4 grades of secondary, high school education that 2 grades and ends the bachelor's degree, and higher education. In the picture, we can evidence the scale of the education in Colombia. Well, talking about the leisure lands or landscapes, Colombia is a rich culture and diverse natural landscape, so mean that spots will have a wide range of leisure activities for choice from. Whatever you can do in activities, you can do it in Colombia. We're in Jamaica, where they have for accelerated adventure and talking about rafting through the lush forests. And in this case, we have a similarity because the landscapes of both countries are very similar and permit explore the nature in different ways. Well, I choose this country because I have the opportunity to get to know about 10 years ago, and they have wonderful landscapes like Colombia, and the people are very, very, very affectionate and relaxed. Thank you.